about cybersecurity, ano ba yung mga threats na meron, and ano yung mga solutions that we can use to prevent kung ano yung mga threats na yun. So, this slide, first we will tackle yung mga some cyber threats attacks that happens sa atin. So, we have here yung cross-site scripting attack. So, yung cross-site scripting attack, basically, ano siya, yung website is, for example, is a legit website siya. So, ang nangyayari is pag may nakitang vulnerability yung threat actor or yung bad guy, so pwede sila mag-insert ng script doon, JavaScript. So, we have here yung kung paano siya nag-work. So, first, the attacker sends a message with a link containing malicious script to the victim. So, this is via known na threat natin is yung